Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble my PDF school pencil box with an eraser on the end. Now this is very similar in style to my other school pencil box, just that the ends are different. Okay, so once you've printed your PDF out, you need to cut around all the pieces, and then you need to score and fold all of these score lines. So this is the main pencil piece, and this piece is the pencil point. So again, just going around folding all of those score lines. Okay, so once you've done that, you need to find this tab. So it's got A and B on it, and it's glue tab 1. And just apply some glue onto the tab. Then you're going to position it just here, lining up those corners, and just make sure that that curved bit is not stuck down. Then you need to find glue tab 2 and do exactly the same. Then once you've got to the end, it should look like this. Next you need to apply some glue to glue tab 7 and glue tab 8. And then these are going to interlock, so just press them together. And then hold them down until they dry. So I'm just going to use my bone folder just to press it against. Next you need to work on the end of the pencil. So I'm just going to pull all these tabs out. Then all of these need to be glued and folded down inside. So this is really going to help to strengthen the box. So once that's done, you've got this other piece. So this is the end piece, and this is going to help to close the box. So again, you need to go around and fold all of those score lines, and then you need to glue all of the triangular tabs. Then once that's done, this needs to be glued onto the end piece here. So just make sure you leave an even border all the way around. It should just be 1 or 2 millimeters, just all the way around. Okay, so while I'm leaving that to dry, I'm just going to go back to the point of the pencil and glue down all of those curved edges. So again, I'm just using a bone folder here just to press against. Then once that's done, it should look like this. So that's given it a nice neat finish. Okay, now that the end is dry, let's just make sure that that closes. That's not too bad. But if you find that it is a little bit loose, then I've included 2 extra tabs that you can stick on. I'm going to have to stick one of these on. So just glue it onto the end there. And I'm just going to check that again. Yep, that's pretty good now. Yep, that's a good fit, so I don't need the other one. And there it is. Now you could team it up with my other school pencil box, or maybe design your own pencils with my SVG template.